Hi, I'm Leon Poindexter, and we're here in my office at the Gloucester Marine Railways. What I'm doing here is I'm working on a new sketch for the headrails for the Eleanor. This was our original sketch, and I needed to refine that, bring this headrail down, make it a little more graceful, bringing these things up in here, and we've reshaped the bow. It's a little different from my original drawing. So what I'm relying on is some historical drawings. This is from an old Admiralty draught, and this is a model, and this was the London, which was basically the vessel that the Eleanor is patterned after. So from using this historic material, what I'm trying to create is a set of headrails that would be historically accurate to a vessel like the Eleanor. So let's take a break from the drawing board here, and we'll go out to the Eleanor. We've had her hauled for a couple of weeks now, and the first thing we did, we went after the bottom, got the bottom cleaned up, and we started putting the copper on. And we'll take a look at where this new headrails are going, and then we'll go over to the Beaver, and we're starting to lay down some deck, and we'll take a look at that. We're standing here at the bow of the Eleanor. A couple of weeks ago, this was the bow of the Beaver. And the drawings that I was doing was for the headrails, which are going to go right up in there. We've already started on the copper. We started on that as soon as we got the vessel up and got her scrubbed. Come on down, we'll take a look and see how much copper work we've already done. Well, as you can see, Eleanor is starting to look like a new penny. We're doing the same thing we did to the Beaver. We're copper cladding it. This is to keep the worms out. And this was the process that was used before they came up with copper bottom paint. And again, the copper is from the same company that Paul Revere founded in 1800. We're at the stern of the Eleanor. This is the starboard side. We've got quite a bit done here. We worked our way all the way back to the rudder. The rudder is the next thing to copper on this side. As we look forward there, we've got all the coppering done almost to the bow on this side. Let's go over to the Beaver and take a look at the work they've been doing on the deck over there. We're on the deck of the Beaver now, and John and Hobbs have started to lay some decking. We spent the last couple of weeks putting in new carlins and ledges, which are the smaller deck framing, and we're moving ahead with the decking now. So next week we'll have a lot more decking. We'll have the copper completed, and so check back with us and see what we've been up to.